thank you for your question. Doc, nahihirapan po akong umakyat ng hagdan at pababa, lalo na sa pagbaba ng jeep. So, yung question is, why do my knees hurt going up and down yung mga stairs po? So, again, this is a broad question. But if you do have arthritis, if you are someone na may chronic or matagal nang may knee pain sa front sa knee, it is very important po na you listen to your body. Ibig sabihin, if you know masakit yung tuhod going up and down stairs, I would definitely avoid yung stairs temporarily and seek medical advice with a doctor. Baka kailangan i-x-ray yung tuhod, baka kailangan po natin makita kung may arthritis po ba or may injury po ba para natin ma-address yung baka cartilage yung damage or na-injury po kayo. So it's very important to know the difference again between knee arthritis and knee injury so that pwede natin hanapan ng proper diagnosis at proper na treatment po.